Hey guys, so we are here in the second part of this Kali labs. As I said, it's just basic stuff to get you guys ready to use it. And right now, I'm gonna explain you just the next steps right after you start running Kali. So the first thing that you might wanna do is configure your system. In my case, I just changed the desktop background. You just right click here. This kind of things is not related to Kali, but still I'm gonna just mention it quickly. You click here in the plus sign. Here you can go to your file system and find your any picture you want, select it, and then you will get the background changed. Also, you can see that I have here the terminal right here. You can access it. In the terminal, as you notice, I changed the host. You see, it's the CSTT. You can also print the host name as like this, and you want to change it. You just go to etc host name, and you just put the name right there. Reboot the machine, and you will get it.